What's up, guys?
Today I am on my way to get something that I have wanted for years. I'm getting a kayak. My friend lives up in Dripping Springs, Texas, and her brother is gifting me one of his kayaks. And I'm so excited because I don't know why I really haven't pulled the trigger on one. I think because I know a little bit about them, but I hate to spend the money on one and then think, oh gosh, this isn't the right one for me. You know, this isn't one that I like, or it doesn't fit me well, or, you know, whatever. So this will be a great way for me to try it out, and I'm so thankful for him. I'll, have to take the kayak without the dog. Shima might be okay on one. Jupe, I doubt it. He'd be shaking so much the whole thing would be trembling. I mean, I obviously just do it one at a time. I wish there was a way I could do both of them. My late girl, Josephine Jolene, I had for 13 years. She would have definitely done it with no problems at all. But these two goons, I don't know. Okay, here is the kayak. This will be the before. I don't know what those holes, what that would be for. Do y'all know? Okay, we're gonna go on our maiden voyage. We have foam cord, bungee cord, and other nylon roping that's the same. I don't know. Edwin's packing heat, just in case. And just in case of what? Snakes. Snakes in the boat.
Oh, on the boat.
Mom said there's snake nests out here and alligators, so we're just gonna go for a short trip to see if this is gonna work. Okay, here we are. We came down probably the deepest rut on a road I've ever seen in my life. Amazing. We're right here off 1097, so some traffic noise, but this is just kind of our maiden voyage trial run. We have my kayak, we have, don't tell anybody, Robert's kayak that we sneaked out. Edwin! Yay!
Here we go.
Woo! Okay, Lake Conroe, yay! Yes, there's alligators, but we're gonna watch. Here we go. I have nothing waterproof. That's okay. Ready? Nice. I definitely need to get a GoPro because I don't think I trust him with my phone. I love these lily pad things. I think they're pretty. Okay, we cut some poor guy's fishing line with Edwin's boat. That was nice.
Exciting.
Yeah, look at the lily pad. See, it's nice up here. No alligators yet. Okay, can I trust you with videoing or not?
It's too early in the morning to put up with it.
I'll come back.
My point exactly.
Saying.
Nothing.
We made it up pretty far up here. Edwin, come back up this way. Okay. I think Edwin's kind of scared. This is kind of cool to hold on to this. Kind of neat. What?
It's kind of cool to hold on to this.
What? What? What is that bird? What is that bird? That's a blue jay.
Why aren't you scared of spiders?
I like them and invite them and feed them.
You invite them.
I
To what?
feed them
Cookouts, parties, what? To
I
what?
feed them flies at my house. Oh me, I spotted a butterfly. See that swallowtail?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a pretty one. See them both?
Pretty.
It looks like a tiger swallowtail, but it looks a little bit tiny, a bit different. So are you enjoying kayaking with Aunt Jenny?
It's something, man.
What?
Eventful is a word I would use. Between the line, you being weird, and yeah.
I got the line in though.
That's true. It's exciting.
You know it's better than your normal morning routine. It's something different.
I enjoy sleeping and having breakfast.
Edwin woke up early to come out with me. Okay, we're gonna go up one little bend. Oh, that dog's up on his balcony. He said, "Intruders! Identify!" Okay, we gotta turn around. I'm using my hand. Okay, we gotta push off. I'm coming. Okay, we're heading back. No problemo.
Spanish for problem.
I said no problemo. You know you liked it. Beautiful. Okay, we made it back without incident. I still don't know what those 4 little openings are for, but I figured out what, let's see, those other hole. I figured out what this one's for. That's the little holder. I might replace that because my hand scratches on it when I'm paddling. So I don't know, those of you, anybody who kayak, are those really necessary to have to hold your oar? I don't know. I might see if I can get one that's maybe like a softer rubber or something like that. But anyway, we had a good time. Everything went fine, except for one little issue. When we got back to the truck, Edwin had 5 phone calls from my brother. Supposedly, he didn't tell anybody where he was going, that he and Aunt Jenny were going kayaking in the morning. Of course, my nephew said he told my other 2 nephews the night before where he was going. So you know how that goes. So lots of phone calls, and their phone locator showed him at the 1097 bridge, which that's exactly where we were. And then my sister-in-law got 3 unknown phone calls, so they thought something happened to him. So she said they were about to put an APB out. My next video is going to be a really pretty area to camp. Not so much in the heat in the summer, but a beautiful place if you're passing through. See y'all next time.